Hey everyone, I just wanted to record a quick video just to review what we learned in math today about fractions and our introduction to fractions. So I'm on the Greg Tang math website, which has some really great manipulatives for fraction tiles and number lines. It's linked in the daily to-do as well as the 8.3 assignment or 8.2, I think 8.3 assignment. So highly recommend using this for your work because it's a really great tool. So the first thing to emphasize is that the whole is 1. Remember, he emphasized that a lot in the lesson. So the whole is 1. So we're going to drag that up just so you can see. And I have the number line also. From 0 to 1 is 1 whole. And fractions are what happens when we take that whole and we split it up into equal parts. So say we split it up into 2 equal parts. So 1 part, 2. You'll see that it's still the length of the whole. It's just broken up into 1 of 2, and this is the other 1 of 2, which is 1/2. So this is 1/2, and this is 1/2. And together, they equal 2 halves, which we can see is the same amount as 1. All right. We can also make other fractions. What if I have the thirds? I drag it. If I split that whole, that same whole, into 3 equal parts, 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. It's in 3 equal parts. I can see that they're equal because they all start and end at the same spot. They're all equal to that 1. So I can write that fraction as, pencil. Nope, I want to get rid of that and use the pencil. It's equivalent equal to 3 halves, which we see is the same distance as 2 halves, which is the same distance as 1. So when we take that whole and we split it up into equal parts, that's what a fraction is. So we can split it up into 3 equal parts, and each part is 1 of 3, 1/3. If we split it up into 2 equal parts, each part is 1 of 2, 1/2. All right. But we don't always have to have our equivalent fraction be 1 whole. Sometimes we want to find equivalent fractions, equal fractions to 1/2. So we're going to try to see what other fractions we can make that are the same amount, the same distance as that 1/2. Well, if I put 1/3 up here, it's not the same. Although it starts in the same spot, I started it at the 0. If I look, the 1/2 ends here and the 1/3 ends here. They're not ending at the same spot, so they're not equivalent. And even if I grab another 1/3, they're still not equivalent because now the 2/3 is more than the 1/2. So let's drag those thirds off to the garbage and let's erase the drawing. So let's try fourths. I put 1/4 and another 4th, and I can see that they are equal, they're equivalent because they start at the same spot and they're ending at the same spot. They're the same amount. So this was 1/2 is equivalent equals 1/4 and another 4th. So 2/4. They're equivalent, they're equal. Let's put that in the text box. Let's see if there's another one. Let's try 6ths. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. I can see that they start at the same spot and that now they're ending at the same spot. So 1/2 is also equivalent to 3/6. All right. We are going to stop there. Let me know if you have any questions.